Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Welcome to Herb Connolly Chevrolet, part of the Herb Connolly Automotive Group, where the customer comes first. We are conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Wooster Road.